What's our agenda for today?
To cut my hair.
So it's your first time?
Yep, and I'm scared I'll be bald.
No.
But Daddy said I'll be bald.
Oh, yun ang sinabi ni Daddy mo?
Yeah.
No, they're just gonna trim your hair so that it looks good.
Oh, sige. Tingnan natin si ate din. Agenda of our family today is Dexa's haircut!
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
So first time ni Dexa magpakat ng hair niya after 6 years, Dexa. Oh my
How do
God.
you feel?
Yeah.
I don't want to be bald.
Alam mo si ate, 3 years old, alam ko, nung first time niya magpakat ng hair. Okay, may certificate ka nun eh. Okay. So I think we...
What? Daddy's shoes are not property.
Ilalagay din niya. Itong mamadali din. So yan ang Horizon Mall. So dito lang namin nakita kung saan pwedeng ipagupit ang buhok ni Dexa.
It means cut.
Yes. So, ano to? Tabi ng Cross Iron Mall. So ito parang, I don't know how to say it. Tabi or ano niya? Kahilera or something. Yeah. So beside, tabi nga is beside. Ayan. So ito yung Horizon Mall. Maraming nabibili din dito. May mga stall din yung mga Filipino. Yung parang, ewan kung paano ko sabihin. Mga ano sa atin. Hindi ko alam kung paano sabihin mga stall dito. Parang, not naman divisoria. Pero, yung ganun ng mall na yan, it's not the typical mall here. Parang ganun. So, yeah. Konti pa lang ang tao. And then, we're excited. Ito, Horizon Mall. Huh? Why?
I'm gonna be bald and I'm not even happy.
So excited si Dexa kasi it's her first time, as I said in my first clip. So ayan, singnan natin muna siya bago magupitan ang hair niya. So
We
say
should do
something.
360 of your hair.
Say something.
I'm gonna be bald.
Lagi mong sinasabing bold, anak.
You're not.
Okay, let's go! So, ayan. Ito yung sinasabi ko na stall. Maraming stall dito. Ayan. So, ganito yung loob ng Horizon Mall. Ayan. May mga bakante din sila. Like this one. Ayan din. O, Pilipino pala to. Oh! Ayan, sabi ko sa inyo, ang daming mga Pilipino put ng business like this. Ayan. O, yan. O. Ayan. Oo nga. Mga naghahanap dyan ng mga ganito. Meron pala dito. Although hindi kami masyadong pumupunta here. Ito din oh. Kaso lang I don't know. Parang chic. Ang ganda din niya. Pwede din na pang Filipino attire. Ay, baby, saglit lang ah.
Mommy, hurry up. It's too exciting.
Yeah, I know. Ito, bakante din. So excited si Dexa kasi yun nga. Papagupit siya. Yeah, I know. We're excited.
That's like going back to clothes.
Okay, maybe. Okay na. Yan na. Ready na. Tapos biglang sarado no? Tapos biglang sarado pala. Uy, may American Pantry. May ganito pa pala dito. Kumikita pa kaya to? Wala masyadong tao dito eh. O, nasaan na? Where? Ay, nagkamali ba tayo, guys? Ayan. So, maaga kami kasi ang appointment ni Dexa is 11 a.m. So, dito pala guys, may appointment ang mga ganito kahit haircut. Kasi nung pumunta kami last week eh, di kami tinanggap. Ala naman siyang ginagawa eh. Ganito dito sa Canada. Ayan, cuties and beauties. Ayan, may excited. May excited guys. May excited. May excited guys. Ayan. Cuties and beauties. Family hair salon. Ito siya. Sorry, it's her first time to cut her hair. Yes. Going 6 years old. Yeah.
This time you're first, okay? To keep your beautiful dress clean, okay? That's what these puppies do. They just keep you clean.
She can't sleep. Besides that, I'm so excited, Mom.
What do you guys want?
Oh, yeah. So, we want like,
To make it even?
yeah.
So if I cut about this here, are you guys okay with that?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes?
Or make it shorter, right, Daddy?
Or even shorter? Or do you want we can start
Yeah,
there,
okay, yeah.
And then I'm going to even it out all around?
Yes,
And
yes.
Do you want anything else? Do you want like, how do you just ask her about bangs?
Why you're so quiet? A while ago, you're so noisy.
Quiet. No. You need to be quiet here. We don't have any quiet people here.
Oh, I'm excited.
Good job, Miss Nixon. She has a lot of new hair coming in yet, hey?
Oh, yeah.
Like, oh, this is all new hair.
Daddy, come here. You want it like, Daddy, this until here? You see this one?
You want
Something
me to go
like-
shorter?
Yeah, something
You
like
want me to go
here.
up? So it's
Something
be
like,
about
yeah, yeah.
Kind of like your
Something
wife's,
my
except for a little
hair.
shorter.
Yeah.
You wanna
Yeah,
do
maybe that one is more better to see. Bago,
that?
yeah.
It will look fuller when the
Yeah.
shorter it goes, the fuller it looks.
Yes, yeah, yeah. It's okay. She will be fine. She has a friend like a short-haired friend too. Yeah.
One of my daughters loves short hair. I can't get her to grow it at all. She just loves short hair.
Yeah.
Great job. Thank you, sweet. Such a good listener.
Yeah, your bangs. B, paano mo na dito? Yeah, it's nice.
What does she want with her bangs?
No, the other one.
Yeah, what does she want?
I told her if she wants to have her kid bangs. Yeah, today. Let's see.
Do you think that'll be short enough now? Do you think that'll be short enough? Or
Yes,
do you want
yes.
to go a bit shorter?
Yeah, I think that one is good. Yeah, yeah. Oh, they have also TV here for the kids. Yan. So, all kids. Ang ganda ng place nila. So, napaka-neat. Ang cute ng place na to. This is in Horizon Mall. Yeah. So cute. Malinis siya. Tingnan. She look nervous. Hey, relax yourself, bebe. Relax. Ang cute din dito. Ang cute din nito. Close your eyes. There. Oh, kasi 6 years old eh. 6 years old pero ganyan pa rin ang hair niya. Ayan.
She's doing such a good job.
Oh my.
We're going to look down at your puppy dogs one more time, okay? I'm just going to do some checks. Okay.
Wow.
Look up. Thank you. Good job, Jackson. It's beautiful. with the mama and then we'll show dad, okay?
Ooh, so cute.
We'll show Dexa. Look in the mirror. What do you think? Do you like it?
Who's that?
Show dad.
Wow.
Did dad like it?
Perfect.
Okay, we're gonna do something pretty in your hair now, okay? The biggest trick is to leave the side area.
Ah,
Take the top.
okay.
It will always be smooth.
Ah, okay. We can do a nice braid to your hair. So you want pink?
I can show you if you want. Show you.
So that's the style that we can do that kind of
Super easy,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
But she
I
has so
know.
much new growth
Oh,
coming
I
in.
know.
She's gonna have
Yeah.
a lot more hair yet.
So they color her hair pink.
I know.
Wow. Be surprised, baby, with your hair color. You're like a dog. You sparkle in your hair too. They put sparkle in your hair.
Oh, okay.
Of what color? You will look in the mirror. You will be surprised. Oh, Daddy, you see Dexa? Is that Dexa? Is that Dexa? Ah. May certificate here din pala. Ayan. Ang cute! So ito yung ino-offer nila dito. May certificate pala sila din na binibigay sa bata. Yay! Say thank you! Turn around! Wow! We can take some picture in their stall, yeah, afterward. Thank you! Okay, hold it. We will take picture outside and then we will pay first. They give also kids lollipop here. Sorry. Yeah, yeah. We take some photo here, baby. Okay, take your photo there. Cuties. Here. No, I will do the photo. Yeah. So, ito pala yung kanilang stall here. Cuties and Beauties Family Hair Salon. So, maingay lang kanina kasi yung bata ayaw niya magpa-haircut. Yeah, so ganito to dito. Ayan. So, ang ganda ng salon na to. It's for kids. Ayan, tapos na yung haircut ni Dexa. Let's go! Yeah, that's your hair. So, ganito. Bibigyan nila, yun nga, itutuloy ko ang vlog ko. Bibigyan nila yung kid mo ng ganito. Certificate. Cuties and Beauties first haircut. This is to certify. Ganun. Oh, they also colored.
I could keep the bow.
Yeah, that's your bow.
I could keep it in the bow.
Ang cute pala ng color na yan. So, nakita mo kung saan nila binili yun? Marami naman sigurong bilihan. So, gusto nyo magkulay-kulay ang hair nyo? Oh, nakikita ko nga may mga bata nag-color ng hair eh.
Mommy, is it
Yeah.
gonna stay until
Hmm.
tomorrow?
Sorry! Okay. I don't know. Hindi pwede. Oo, mga gusto ng mga bata yan. What? Oh, ito yun. Ito yung studio din nila. Ay, different studio. Ay, hindi. Same sila yan. Same. Dito nagmo-model yung mga... Tingnan mo si Brayden ko nasaan. I think... Tingnan mo. Wala pa ba siya dyan? Baka ito yung mga unang batch nila ng mga bata. Yeah. So, ito. Nandito pala to sa Horizon Mall tong kanila. Yan. Yeah, pang Asian. Yeah. Of course, meron din. May mga ano din, ibang... We cannot do that. Hindi ka pwedeng matulog na meron yan. Eto, sa Pinas din ba to? Goldfish? Dito pala to. Yeah. Okay, so let's go. May isa pa kaming appointment. Let's go, guys. Seafood City. We tried this bibingka. Ayan. Ayaw niya pakita mukha niya kasi kakatapos ng facial. So, ayan. Bumili yung mga kids ng turon. Ayan. We will try this turon, guys. And this egg. Quail eggs. O, ayan. Sige, nabigyan nyo na siya. Nandito kami ngayon sa Seafood City. Ayan, daming tao. Ayan. Okay, buksan mo na, baby. And then, we will try this one to daddy. Gusto mo yan, anak? Yung bibingka, ang sarap. Gusto ko din siya. Oh, naluto kasi siya siguro nun. Okay, open this one na, anak. Try mo muna. Try mo muna. Maybe you like it. Try mo muna, Oh, Diyos ko. Sige na. Try niyo muna. Okay. Okay, kain muna kami. Ayan yung Seafood City. So, meron silang mga fresh dito na mga meat and fish. Siguro tinawag silang Seafood City. Hindi kami masyadong namimili dito sa mostly Costco at saka Lucky ata or may mga binibilihan kaming mga meat din here. Ayan, meron din sila mga ganito here. Nasaan yung mga anak ko? So, ito yung mga products. Bumili ako nito. Fish cracker. And then, boy wawang bumili ako isa. So, dumaan kami sa Seafood City. Ayan. So guys, tara na. Bumili kami ng cheese bread. Okay, careful guys. Kung ano na naman nakita ng mga bata. Oh, skyflakes. Ay, nako. Careful, hold out his hand. And then the Food City here in Calgary. Let's go. Alam ko yan, sasakyan natin. Pamana fish cracker. Yan, try natin. Mga bata, kung ano nang binili nila. Ano yan? Lychee candy. Ate, ikaw anong iniinom mo din? May C2 din siya. Oh my. Si ate nagganyan kasi nga tapos ng facial.